Rob in the Garden. And because of the hurricane, tropical storm, Milton on its way, this project had to be hurried. I mean, one was already filled up because of the rain that we had all day today. So this one is filled up all the way to the top. It even have its filter. This is a 200 stitch mesh, like a professional filter mesh that I got on eBay. And then this pours down from the roof and they get filtered. So the only thing that was left that I was trying to do it properly was to set up the connections from one to the other. So I had to hurry up and do that because of this storm is coming, and I didn't want one to be full and the other one to be empty, because most likely the storm will go away with that empty one. So I got it set up to where it's gonna connect, and I was supposed to put like a connection, like a separator between the two PVC, but because I'm limited on time and the storm it's on its way, so I had to just do what I had to do, go ahead and get it connected, so that way both will be able to fill up. So both would be able to fill up during the hurricane. So then if we have any issues and we don't have any water, so if we have any issues where we don't have any water, we have two IBC totes full and ready to roll. Okay, here comes the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, see what happens.
And we'll see if it happens.
Here it goes. Okay, the suctioning, I got this Gorilla Tape. So eventually when the storm comes through, it's gonna fill this up to the point where this might burst open. And I have this little cap right here that's loose so the air could come out. You can actually hear, the air coming out. A whole day of raining. I've disconnected this coming from the roof of the gutter. And this is what the filter sock collected. It looked nasty. That's what the filter sock kept all this from getting in the water. It's all the stuff that could have been in the water, but because of this filter, it filtered all that out of the water. And both containers, I'm gonna rinse this out and put it right back in there. Both containers are fully filled to the top. Let's give this a try and see if water's gonna come out. Yep, we got water. Clear, somewhat clean water. It's not drinkable yet, but we got two IBC floats. We got two IBC totes filled with water. So now basically I just gotta buy the two covers that I'm gonna order online to cover the IBC totes, so they could look, the appearance could look more pleasant. And I gotta set up that filter, the leaf filter with the pre-filter on the wall, so that way I have two systems of filter. Alright, and should be good. Gonna go over here and clean this out. And the sink over here. Closet. Okay. I got it 100% cleaned out and ready to be reused. So since the whole system is fully filled up, I'm gonna just pop this back in, and then I'm not gonna connect the roof gutter because both totes are fully filled up all the way to the top. As you can see with the filter, if anything falls in, it's not gonna go anywhere. So this is just kind of like a valve. It acts, see, it's fully to the top. So this acts as a valve. So it keeps air traveling back and forth. All that leaf. So once I put that pre-filter system with that leaf collect system, the leaves will be collected at that point, and then the small little stuff will be collected by the second set of filter.